Okay, so in this project I did cough detection. So I used Edge Impulse Studio to design my project. So in this project, you just define the project on the Edge Impulse Studio. So the first thing I did is to connect the device, and I was using the Arduino Nano Connect RP2040. So I connected it. So to connect it, you use the Edge Impulse daemon that is provided by Edge Impulse. So once you connect it, you select the port, and then the device will be connected. Now you're able to send data as well as do even live classification. So having done this, I came to the data acquisition. I wanted to take samples of when I am coughing and when it's normal. So I collected data of the amount of 4 to 5 minutes, and then I divided them into a ratio of train and test. I split them, so I have 86% of training and 14% of testing. I had a total of 4 or 5 minutes of data. So I used various lengths of the data set. So and then after this, I designed the impulse. So where I used the of course the data is in a time series data, and then I used MFCC as my audio preprocessing algorithm, and it gives us features of the audio from the audio, and then we feed these features into a classifier. It's a neural network classifier, and then we are able to get our output features or our classification. So in the MFCC, here we got our features which are in the terms of these substroke coefficients that now we feed to our classifier. And then in the classifier, I did the training, and I had this neural network, convolutional neural network. I did a training for 100 cycles, and then finally when I did the training and the validation was at an accuracy of 96.3%. So this is the classifier. And then I further went and did a model performance evaluation by doing a model testing. I used just a few samples from which I uploaded or took live from my device. So they are just here, it's loading. Yes, so after doing this, after testing, I just only used a few. So the accuracy was at 77.59. I think this is because I took only few samples, and again based on my data, they were varying lengths. So some of the lengths were having both classes of normal and cough, so it could get confused. So there was a certain level of uncertainty. And then after this, I just deployed this model to my device. I used the option of Arduino library because the Arduino Nano RP Connect is not like fully supported from this board. So I created the library which I then installed in Arduino for this. So I downloaded this, and then now I went to the Arduino, and then the library I downloaded, and then I had it installed, then opened it, and then I started the compilation. This process takes quite some time, so it's still running. So once it's complete, I will now test the project. Okay, now I have uploaded the code to Arduino. The library that I got from Edge Impulse is now uploaded to the device. So I'm going to test. So the first thing I will do is just open the serial monitor. So this is the device. It's already running the code, and so I will just open the serial monitor. So when it's opened, it will say the classifier results are here. Now it's showing normal, it's like it's already saying it's normal as we speak. No, there is no cough detected. So now it's actually normal with an accuracy of 0.9899, because as at now I'm just speaking. So then if I cough, then I will expect to see the inference detecting a cough. So this is how I do it: recording. So it's I'll say that it's cough detected with an accuracy of 0.8. Again, I will do this. Okay, again, cough detected. So I can even do it with the device far away from me. I say cough detected again with accuracy of 0.996. So this is just a good demonstration that this classifier is able to run well on the edge device, and in this case the Arduino Nano RP2040 Connect. Yeah, so it works pretty well, and it can be done to work even better. So yeah, this is the demonstration I've done now. So it's good, working fine, and I'm happy.